The Bangalore-based company Ultraviolet, which is known to manufacture sports bike, fastest sports bike, has launched the F77 Mac 2. This is an electric bike. We will tell you everything about this bike. हम करने वाले एक walk around review. आप देख रहे हैं मोटर वर्ल्ड इंडिया. मैं हूँ आपका होस्ट जय कुमार लिमय. बने रहिए हमारे साथ. तो फ्रंट प्रोफाइल की बात करें तो फ्रंट प्रोफाइल इफ़ यू लुक एट इट, इट इज़ क्वाइट एग्रेसिव लुकिंग. एलईडी सेटअप के साथ आता है. आपको इधर एक F77 का बैजिंग भी दिखाई देता है. नीचे की तरफ देखते हो तो ये जो गार्ड है ये फाइबर का गार्ड है. फोक्स की बात करें तो यू गेट 41 mm के फोक्स, अपसाइड डाउन फोक्स. दैट्स अबाउट द फ्रंट प्रोफाइल. मूविंग टू द सेंटर, it's an electric bike but still you get to see a tank shape. इसमें obviously as it's an electric इसमें fuel नहीं भर सकते, but the best part what they have done is to charge this electric bike you just need to open this and from here you can charge this. Don't you think it's good? So that's about the tank. यहाँ पे डिज़ाइन अगर देखते हो तो it's a plain design, no nuts, no bolts are seen. It's a plain design and quite appealing है. ये कलर भी काफ़ी अच्छा है, stealth grey color. So that's about the center. Moving to the rear profile. Rear profile is quite nice, quite appealing. Typical sports bike जैसा look है. You get a step up seat over here. Although grab rails are there, ऊपर नहीं है, but again it is the design. If you look at it, it's a typical sports bike design. You get LED setup indicators वाले. So that's about the rear profile. Now let's check out the motor of this bike. Talking about the instrument cluster, it's a 5-inch TFT display. It's a very attractive instrument cluster. Instrument cluster में अगर आप देख पा रहे हो तो right में you can see the range, you can see the battery percentage. ऊपर odometer है. Left hand side you can see the battery life as well. बीच में you get the riding modes. So this bike comes with 3 riding modes, which is the compact, the ballistic and the glide. So basically you can change these riding modes from the switch over here. So this is about the instrument cluster. काफ़ी attractive है. यहाँ पे with these particular joystick you can go into the settings. So settings में आपको controls you can change, you can control from here. My trips में आपको Map My India से preloaded maps मिलते हैं. You get the navigation option too. Bluetooth connectivity भी also है. Sorry, the inbuilt navigation is from Mappls. So overall it's a very interactive instrument cluster. If you can hear the noise, this joystick reminds me of my childhood days. Video games, same joystick है, and the noise too. So again that's something which is unique, different. आपको TPMS भी है, टायर प्रेशर मॉनिटरिंग सिस्टम भी है, बैटरी का हेल्थ भी दिखाई देता है. तो काफ़ी इंफॉर्मेटिव इंस्ट्रूमेंट क्लस्टर है. यहाँ से आप ट्रैक्शन कंट्रोल ऑन ऑफ भी कर सकते हो एंड ABS के राइडिंग मोड्स भी है. सो यू कैन कंट्रोल एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम दिस पर्टिकुलर इंस्ट्रूमेंट क्लस्टर. The seating position of this bike, it's not that aggressive, not too relaxed. This is the seating position. इसके seating position, the seating posture was compared to the KTM Duke RC390, right? So वो comparison में इसका seating position, as I said, it's not too aggressive, not too relaxed. काफ़ी commanding position लगता है. We haven't got the chance to ride this bike, but I'm quite sure with this kind of power, it would be really a treat to ride this bike. So that's about the F77 Mac 2. The ultraviolet F77 Mac 2, it also comes with the regeneration mode. So as you can see over here, it comes with 9 level of regeneration modes. Right now it's on 1. From here I can increase the level of regeneration modes. This basically helps in increasing the battery life, especially the range. So that's a very good thing which ultraviolet has given on this bike. That's about the braking regeneration. From here, as we showed you, you can also switch on and off the traction control. And as this is an electric bike, let's see how does it sound. Don't you think it reminds you of the F1 cars? Right? So that's how this bike sounds. Isn't it exciting? This being an electric bike, your bike ka weight is still 197 kgs, which is slightly towards the higher side. However, it is quite nice, I feel, to ride this bike. Usually electric bikes are lighter in weight. This one, it's towards the higher side. Talking about the colors, this bike comes in 9 colors. Turbo red, yellow bhi hai. This is the stealth grey. You have the cosmic black. You have the plasma red. So 9 colors are available in this bike. Talking about the warranty. Now this bike, the company is giving a warranty of up to 8 lakh kilometers and 8 years. Wow, that's amazing. That's impressive. So the price of this bike, the introductory price is 2,99,000 ex showroom, which is available for the first 1,000 customers. So that was the walk around review of the ultraviolet F77 Mac 2. Do let us know in the comments section what is your take on this bike. Let us know if you would be interested to buy this bike or not. This is your host Jay Kumar Limay signing off. Thank you for watching Motor World India. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.